Saving money has nothing to do with discipline. You could want it more than anything, and still fail every single month. Because your brain is wired to stop you. There's a glitch in how you see the future, and until you fix it, no budget will ever stick. Let me show you the glitch, and the 3 ways to beat it. The third one feels too easy to work. But it's the one that actually does. If you're liking the video so far, all I ask is a quick like and subscribe. Here's the glitch. When you imagine yourself 10 years from now, your brain doesn't really see you. Scientists scan people's brains while they pictured their future selves, and the brain lit up the same way it does when thinking about a total stranger. Read that again. To your brain, future you is a stranger. So when you save, it doesn't feel like helping yourself. It feels like handing your money to some random person you'll never meet. And of course you don't want to do that. Today you wants the coffee, the gadget, the night out, right now. Future you can fend for himself. That's not a willpower problem. That's a wiring problem. But wiring can be hacked. Way 1. Make saving automatic and invisible. The reason saving hurts is that you feel the money leave. So don't feel it. Set an automatic transfer the day you get paid, so the money moves to savings before it ever lands in your spending account. How? 1 transfer, same day as your paycheck, set it once and forget it. Why it works? Today you can't miss money he never saw. You're not relying on willpower anymore. The system saves for you, while you do nothing. Way 2. Make future you real. The stranger problem disappears the second your brain can actually picture him. So don't save for retirement. That's a fog. Save for something you can see. A name, a number, a date. 30,000 for a house by 2030. There's even research showing that people who see an aged photo of their own face save more money. How? Give every savings goal a vivid picture and a deadline. Why it works? You stop saving for a stranger and start saving for someone you recognize. Yourself. Way 3. Shrink the first step. Most people fail because they try to save 20% overnight, feel the pain, and quit by week 2. So start stupidly small. Save $5. 1%. An amount so tiny it's almost funny. How? Set that first automatic transfer to something you won't even notice, then nudge it up 1% every few months. Why it works? The goal was never the $5. It was proving to your brain that saving doesn't hurt. Once that belief flips, scaling up is easy. You're not building a balance yet. You're building an identity. So here's the truth nobody tells you. You don't have a discipline problem. You have a stranger problem. Every dollar you save isn't a sacrifice. It's a gift to the one person who's going to need it most, and who happens to be you. Automate it. Picture him. Start small. Do that, and saving stops being a fight you lose every month, and becomes something that just happens. Quietly. In the background. While you live your life. Thanks for watching. Hope you got something out of this. I'll see you in the next one.